Aeroplanes are best.
They're easy. Boats are hard. And they go further.
No, they don't. See? It goes for miles.
My boat could go forever. And ever and ever and ever.
I can turn my aeroplane into a boat. Look, Kipper.
Come on, let's take them down to the stream.
Wait for me. Let's have a race. I'll say ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. That's cheating.
I'm steering it.
Mine's in first.
No, that's mine. I'm
No, it is not. What's that?
It's a submarine.
Oh, dear. Do you think it's dangerous?
I'm going to see. It's just so trouble.
Careful. Oof.
Yeah. Whoops. Look, Tiger.
That's easy. Just needs a little practice, that's all.
Let's make a raft and we can go on the river and play pirates.
Yeah, I'll tie it together. I'm good at knots. Ah. I must be doing something wrong. This one goes over that one, and this goes underneath, and that goes there. That's it. Oh,
You carry on, Tiger. I'm going home to get some supplies.
perhaps it's this one that goes round here. Hello, Kipper. Guess what? I've got a new hideout. Do you want to come and look?
No, thanks, Pig. We're making a raft. We're going on the river to play pirates.
Oh. Do you want to see my new hideout, Tiger? And this one through here. Yeah!
Yeah. Tiger,
Yeah?
how do we steer?
I don't know.
Perhaps we should have made some paddles. Hey, look.
It's an island. A pirate island.
Let's unload.
What's that?
There's something on the island.
There's nowhere for it to hide.
Hey, Tiger, where's our flag gone?
I don't know.
Hey, the biscuits have gone.
It's eating my biscuits.
Where is it?
Maybe it's invisible.
What?
It tickled me.
No, I didn't. there's nothing there. Wait a minute. That sounds a bit like
Pig! It was so funny. You didn't know I was there.
Where were you?
In my new hideout. Look. Come and see.
Wow! It's completely hollow. Come and look, Tiger.
I'm trying. I'm trying. It's ever so good, isn't it?
It's brilliant. It can be our pirate castle. Can it be our pirate castle, Pete?
Yeah, and it's got a special peephole. Look.
We've got our own pirate castle on our own pirate island. And there's our pirate raft too. Oh no! Our raft! Tiger, it's floating away! Quick, catch it!
Oh no, it's too far out.
We've lost it.
We'll never get off the island now. We're marooned. Don't be silly, Tiger. Look, it's drunk deep. Come on then, give us a hand.